Example 1, a little bit more straightforward. Okay, use the functions. I'm going to do this one in green, this one in blue. Okay, state the domain and range of each function. So we can do off to the side here for f of x, it's a line, domain is everything, range is everything. For the blue one, which is g of x, okay, g of x is a parabola. You might want to rewrite g of x as a negative x squared plus 4 so that you can see that it's a parabola opening down, shifted up 4 units. And now that we see that, we can say, I know that for parabolas, my domain is everything. My range is y is less than or equal to 4. Again, for your range, if you can draw a graph, you can do the range easily. So we're really connecting this to our transformations unit where we drew all those graphs from before. Sketch a graph of each composite function. Okay? I'm going to put an arrow here and make a note that if you always find the explicit equation, it makes your graph or graphing it really easy. So now we have to know, how do functions work? So in A, we want to find f of g of x. What is g of x? It's 4 minus x squared. Right? What did I do? I replaced the g of x with 4 minus x squared because that's what g of x is equal to. And now I have f of 4 minus x squared. What is that going to do? Well, what does f do? Whatever you plug into f, you take it and you add 1. So what am I going to have? I'm going to have 4 minus x squared, and I'm going to add 1. This is going to be our explicit equation for f of g of x. Does it simplify? Yes. Can you see that I could rearrange this as negative x squared plus 5? How hard is that to graph? Well, that's a parabola with transformations. Reflection over the x-axis, shifted up 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 5. Negative 2, 1. 2, 1. Really easy to graph. What's the domain and range? Again, x is everything. Range, y is less than or equal to 5. So that note, always find the explicit equation. It makes graphing easy. It also makes your domain and range easy. Part B says find f of x. Well, f of x was just x plus 1. And now if you have f of x plus 1, the function f says whatever you put in, add 1. So it will equal x plus 1 plus 1. Can you simplify that? You get x plus 2. Is that easy to graph? Yes. It's just a straight line. Y-intercept of 2, slope of 1. Domain everything. Range. Everything. So if we can use composition of functions to find the new explicit equation, it will be easy to graph and easy to find the new domain and range. So we'll always go to algebra first for these ones to solve them. Okay, try question number 4.